1977, NASA launched 2 Voyager spacecraft on an ambitious mission to explore the farthest reaches of the solar system. In addition to scientific instruments, the Voyagers carried a special time capsule intended for any extraterrestrial intelligence that found them, the Voyager Golden Records. These phonograph records encoded over 100 images and sounds from planet Earth along with a map to our location. As the Voyagers sail into interstellar space, these golden records stand as an unprecedented snapshot of life on Earth sent into the cosmos. I'll highlight the record's unique contents and creation story in this video, celebrating their cultural legacy across the galaxies. The Voyager Golden Records aim to portray Earth's diversity of life and culture to potential alien civilizations. To convey this auditory texture, the records included over an hour of various sounds from our planet. Carl Sagan led the selection process, gathering input from experts around the world. The tracks feature languages like Gujarati and Mandarin, contrasting types of music from bagpipes to Chuck Berry, and nature sounds like surf, wind, and bird calls. Engineers creatively encoded these analog clips to withstand cosmic radiation on the record's journey through space. The sounds poetically express Earth's symphony for any listeners in distant worlds. The Golden Records compilation of images visually chronicles the Earth and human civilization for extraterrestrials. Carl Sagan's committee curated 115 photos showcasing nature's diversity, from flowers to insects to landscapes. Pictures of humanity seek to educate aliens on our anatomy, emotions, civilizations, and scientific advancements. Symbolic imagery depicts fundamentals like the transition from day to night. The images follow a deliberate sequence, starting with mathematical definitions and ending on shots of human undertakings like art and architecture. This photojournal aspires to represent planet Earth as a rich oasis harboring an inquisitive species to potential cosmic pen pals across the stars. In addition to informational content about humanity, the Golden Records were also loaded with symbolic gestures of welcome and goodwill to undiscovered civilizations. The records feature spoken greetings of hello in multiple languages, waving figures and smiles to convey friendliness. UN delegates drafted goodwill messages for alien listeners, wishing peace from all human beings. President Jimmy Carter contributed a welcome note highlighting our desire for interstellar friendship. The records even encoded an inspirational quote from Antoine de Saint-Exupéry's The Little Prince. These messages aim to make a congenial first impression on behalf of all denizens sharing planet Earth. A key challenge was explaining human forms of communication to potential extraterrestrials without shared conventions. The records include an entire interstellar how-to primer of decoded imagery. Diagrams illustrate how to play the record's grooved surface with a cartridge. Maps depict Earth's location relative to pulses as navigation beacons. Schematics break down our base 10 math system, chemical elements, human anatomy, and the structure of DNA itself. While we can only speculate how alien minds might interpret these clues, the instructions reflect ambitious efforts to enable any intelligence to decode humanity's time capsule hurtling through space. The Golden Records ascended as not only messengers to potential extraterrestrials, but also as profound cultural artifacts of how humanity chose to depict itself. The record's eclectic curation offers a unique lens into what we valued: our artistic expressions, scientific insights, and shared origins on the Tree of Life. As time capsules launched into orbit billions of miles away, the records also serve as mementos, commemorating the wonder and optimism of space exploration by our civilization. Some even see the records almost as a cosmic message in a bottle. If no aliens intercept them, future humans may one day discover them drifting between the stars. The Voyager Golden Records have stirred the public imagination not only for their historic mission, but as an interactive puzzle. With the record's contents readily available online, amateur decoders and linguists around the world have taken to tackling translations as a passion project. Despite the records being meant for alien minds likely vastly different from our own, decoding attempts prove educational and allow the public to engage with the records more intimately. If humanity one day retrieves the records centuries or millennia from now, Amateur efforts preserving meanings may assist future historians in making sense of this cultural artifact sent forth on an endless voyage across the cosmos.